This month I'm celebrating 4 years anniversary of living in Denmark, and I thought why not share with you all my top 5 things that I absolutely love about Denmark. Let's get started. The first thing that I absolutely love about Denmark is Danish people. Hold that thought. Let me give you my explanation. I am a stand-up comedian and I perform stand-up comedy here in Copenhagen, and I have had amazing shows when there is Danish people in the audience and the jokes are on them. Danes, they love self-sarcasm and they never take it seriously. They want to know what expats are thinking about their country and about their culture. One of my Danish friend, he had told me that, talk more about us, how we just sit, have beer and enjoying life. We want to hear more about that aspect of our culture. And I love going on stage talking about my cultural shocks that I've been experiencing in Denmark. Now, Danes are considered to already have closed groups, so it is difficult to become friends with them. Which brings me to my second point. I live in Copenhagen and I can without a doubt say that Copenhagen is a city of fantastic, wonderful, amazing internationals. So instead of being sad about the fact that you're not able to make Danish friends, look around and you will find so many expats who are also looking for friends. I'm part of Toastmaster community. I now have friends from USA, Italy, Belgium, Turkey, Colombia, and recently I met a guy who was from New Zealand, and I'm like, oh my god, I have never ever met anyone who is from New Zealand. Tell me more about your country. I also have Danish friends. I've been to a Danish wedding. This thing goes to my resume that I've attended a Danish wedding. The third thing I absolutely love about Denmark is parks. You go to any corner here in Copenhagen and you will have big, huge park. And you can, without a doubt, spend your entire day in the park. You can take your work to the park, you can plan a party, you can, not in the corona time, you can also go on a date in a park here in Denmark. The parks, they have toilets, so you don't have to worry about how much you're drinking. You bring your own food and you enjoy. During summertime it gets crazy, but you'll always be able to find your corner where you can spend time with your friends, your loved ones, or just simply meditate. The fourth thing I love about Denmark is a culture that I don't know whether it's a Danish culture, but I love it. It's more like a potluck party culture. So if you have been invited to a party, you bring your own food and drink and you share it with people. So this takes away the burden away from the host of feeding 30 to 40 people in a party, and you will never have less food on the table when everyone is bringing food for 3-4 people, and you get to taste food from different culture. Potluck party is one of my favorite concept that I have learned here in Denmark. 5 and last for this video, the thing that I absolutely love about Denmark is that every job is respected. And this point goes beyond the fact that Denmark already has world's healthiest work-life balance. Women are respected in the job industry, and you can freely share your points, your opinion. This is more like you are never looked down or up based on where you work. The importance is not given too much to your job title and your status. They respect that you're working and you're earning your own living and you're trying to survive in this country. I have also worked at times as a theater artist, taking care of something, and it was never like, oh, that job is not good. Everyone is giving you the respect. It's like equality, you see it, you feel it.